Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland 4xe in Baltic Gray. With LED headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seating, hands-free power liftgate, panoramic sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7523A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.